Ni vizuri sana tuanze kulea watoto wetu na tuwafunze tabia nzuri, kwamba mtu ambaye anafanya kazi kwa bidii, huyo ndio atatunukiwa, atapata riziki yake kupitia jasho, kupitia kufanya kazi kwa haki. Hiyo ndio maana sisi zote tumeamka leo asubuhi, kwa sababu tunataka kuwaeleza watoto wetu kwamba you cannot succeed if you go through shortcuts and also cheating and stealing. That culture must be discouraged right from our examination centers. Na neno langu, or what I want to say to those who are engaged from any corner of this country, that they are doing our country a disservice. They are actually undermining the credibility of our exam. I'm happy the Ministry of Education, working together with Interior, are pursuing an ICT, are pursuing those who might have, unfortunately, come across examination material, distributing them through various hubs. And I want to assure you that as a government, we are committed to ensure deliver credible results. This will mean we will not condone and we will pursue any person who want to undermine such a great exercise in our country.
Now, aikari a itura